The E2 visa presents a fantastic opportunity for foreign investors and entrepreneurs looking to operate a business in the United States. This type of visa is intricate, and understanding its requirements is essential for a successful application. Below is an essential guide to navigate through the E2 visa requirements and why consulting with an E2 visa attorney can be beneficial. What is an E2 visa? An E2 visa is a non-immigrant visa category that allows citizens of treaty countries to enter and work within the U.S. based on an investment they will be controlling. It is designed for individuals who have invested or are in the process of investing a substantial amount of capital in a U.S. business. Key E2 visa requirements. To qualify for an E2 visa, there are several key requirements that must be met. Investor's nationality. The investor must be a national of a country with which the United States maintains a treaty of commerce and navigation. Substantial investment. The investor must have made a substantial investment in a bona fide enterprise in the U.S. There is no set minimum amount, but the investment must be significant relative to the total cost of either purchasing an established enterprise or creating the type of enterprise under consideration. Control of funds. The funds must be at risk, and the investor must have control over the capital invested or being invested. Business. Viability. The enterprise must be more than marginal, meaning it must have the present or future capacity to generate more than enough income to provide a minimal living for the investor and their family. Active involvement. The investor must be coming to the U.S. to develop and direct the enterprise and must hold at least 50% ownership or possess operational control. The role of an E2 visa attorney. Navigating the complexities of E2 visa requirements can be challenging, which is why seeking the expertise of an E2 visa attorney is often advisable. An attorney specializing in E2 visas can provide invaluable assistance in several ways. Documentation and paperwork. An E2 visa lawyer can help ensure that all necessary documentation is accurate, complete, and presented in the most favorable light. Investment guidance. They can offer guidance on what constitutes a substantial investment and how to demonstrate the viability of the business. Legal advice. An attorney can provide legal advice on the nuances of the E2 visa process and represent you in dealings with the U.S., Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, or at the consulate or embassy. Meeting the E2 visa requirements can be a complex process with many nuances. It's not just about having the capital to invest, but also understanding how to structure the investment and business operation to meet the strict criteria. Partnering with an experienced E2 visa attorney like Global Immigration Partners can greatly increase your chances of a successful E2 visa application, allowing you to focus on the growth and development of your business venture in the United States. For individuals seeking to invest in the U.S., it is critical to be aware of all E2 visa requirements. Consider consulting with an E2 visa lawyer to navigate the process efficiently and to maximize the chances of your application being approved.